हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू दिस चैनल। तो आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं एनालॉग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स 2 में हमारा अगला टॉपिक विच इज़ फ्रीक्वेंसी रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ एन ओप एम्प, जिसमें हम लोग बात करेंगे अबाउट द कॉम्पनसेटर नेटवर्क्स। तो सबसे पहले हम लोग समझते हैं व्हाट प्रॉब्लम डज अराइव। सो एन ओप एम्प गिव्स वेरी हाई गेन एट लो फ्रीक्वेंसीज. As frequency increases, the gain naturally falls. Now, inside the op amp, there are many internal delays that can cause the op amp to oscillate, that is, to become unstable at high frequencies. So, we need some frequency response compensation. So, what do we mean by a compensator network? So, it is a network which has a small RC resistor capacitor arrangement which is used to control how gain changes with frequency, to prevent oscillations, and to make the op amp stable. So we can think of it as a speed controller for op amp. Now, why compensation is needed? So without compensation, the gain falls too fast, the phase shift increases, and the output may ring or oscillate. But including the compensation, the gain reduces smoothly, the phase shift is controlled, and the op amp behaves predictably. Now, the most common type for this compensation circuit is the dominant pole compensation. So this is the simplest and the most important one. A small capacitor is connected inside the op amp or externally in some cases. The capacitor creates one main dominant pole at a low frequency. अब इसका इफेक्ट क्या होता है? So high gain at low frequency, gain decreases at minus 20 decibels per decade and the op amp becomes stable. Now, the simple way to imagine it is at low frequencies, the op amp is strong and stable, but at high frequencies, the op amp is intentionally slowed down, and slowing it prevents the overshooting and oscillation. अब हमारे पास और भी compensator networks होते हैं. So they are lead compensation, which is used to improve the speed, increases the bandwidth, and is used when faster response is needed. We have lag compensation, which improves the stability, reduces the bandwidth, and is used when stability is more important than speed. And then we have lead lag compensation, which is used to provide a balance between speed and stability. And frequency compensating a network हमारा कुछ ऐसा circuit दिखता है. Now we have our next topic, which is supply voltage rejection ratio, or which is denoted by SVRR. So the change in an op amp input offset voltage VIO caused by variation in supply voltages is called the supply voltage rejection ratio. अब इसका हमारे पास एक फॉर्मूला होता है which is delta VI naught divided by delta V, where delta VI naught is the change in input offset voltage and delta V is the change in power supply. Manufacturers also use terms like PSRR, which is power supply rejection ratio, और PSS, which is power supply sensitivity. And mainly जो हमारे न्यूमेरिकल्स आते हैं वो SVRR and CMRR पे direct formula based numericals होते हैं. So that was all for this video and I will see you in the next one.